Okay, that's recording, yep. This is the smallest tripod I've got. It's a Manfrotto. You can see the logo just there. And its name. It's got a ball joint. So you push the button in. It swivels around. Okay. Now what I'm doing is, it's just gone midnight and I just realised I had to do this video, and I hopped on the computer at about 8:30 to do this and promptly forgot. Got sidetracked on Facebook and YouTube, as always happens. I wanted to let you guys know about the, hang on a second, I'll bring it up on the computer. The next YouTube Bushcraft event. So this is why I've got these two cameras. (2016) YouTube Bushcrafters at Peach Trees Campgrounds. It'll be between the 1st of July to the 4th of July. And one second. Bushcraft YouTube Gathering Meetup. Be advised that this is a privately organised event that will be attended by bushcrafters and YouTubers. If you choose to attend, you're giving permission that your likeness may be filmed by others who attend. The site has fire rings, toilets and running water. Firewood must be brought in with you. Do not collect firewood from the campgrounds. The water cannot be consumed unless it's been boiled and treated first. Camping fees are about $6 per night per person. It's advisable to pay for camping permits well in advance. Vehicle registration is required for the camping permit if you're bringing a car. Click the below link for camping information, and I'll put that link in the extra information in the box below this video, guys. So anybody wanting to attend, anybody who's in Australia, hang on. Peach Trees Camping. So this gives you an idea. That's what the campgrounds look like. It's got a water hole, but that was closed last time I was there due to the previous floods. Those are the new toilet blocks. The old ones were demolished and new ones were built. And that photo was taken before the major floods went through and destroyed a lot of it. So yeah, we have another YouTube Bushcraft event coming. And the plan is, if I'm going to be getting there first thing on a Friday morning, July the 1st is a Friday morning and I want to get there early, try and grab the right spot, which is the same spot we had the last time. If anybody's seen my videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. The site's quite large to have a capability of hosting up to 300 people. So what I plan on doing is actually, anybody who's been there before, you'll know where the front entrance is and what it looks like. Literally as you drive in the front entrance, there's a big flat bit of ground directly on the left, and my plan is to get that spot because, well, one, it's large and flat, but two, it's also, let's bring up, it's also away from the main area. Okay, the entry point is down here. You can just make it out just there. You come in from there, you drive along over the creek, and there's the entry point. And the road goes up all the way down to the far end, up there, and camping is permitted all the way through there. But that spot just there, this area here, especially this bit, because the entry gate's just here, that's where the sign is. This is where we had the event last time, and most families, there's the first toilet block and the second toilet block is just in here. Most families tend to go down this end, and you have larger groups go through the middle. So by actually getting this corner up here by the entry, it's a quieter spot, so we can also get on with what we want to do, bushcrafting and stuff like that, and we're not disturbed by families and kids running through the campsite. It's a different story if, you know, some of the members of our group bring kids with them. That's fine because they'll be under control. So 1st of June through to the 4th, Monday the 4th, it is during school holidays, but the last time I was there during the school holidays it was busy, but because we were at that top end we didn't even notice it. So this video will also be linked through to my 2 Facebook groups, Prepping Wilderness Survival and Bushcraft and Wilderness Survival. So any members who are in Southeast Queensland in Australia, you're welcome to attend. Follow the link in the bottom of the description box to book your tickets for the camping permit, and it's pretty easy to get to it. I'll just bring up the map. Here we go. Okay, this is basically Southeast Queensland, just north of Brisbane. Caboolture is just there. If you drive to Caboolture and then follow the main road out west, go to Woodford, go through Woodford, go to Kilcoy, and then here at Kilcoy, in the centre of town, you come in, drive to the centre of town, and there's a roundabout where you turn right and you take the Kilcoy Mergen Road out of town, and you literally just follow that the entire way, and it is easy. You just keep going, and you pass the Gymna turn off. We'll turn off here for the small township of Gymna, and literally down here, The road goes from bitumen and changes and becomes gravel. So it becomes a gravel road for the first 100 meters, and then you have to turn off on your right hand side. You follow that through to pine plantation and it takes you to peach trees. So that's it for now, guys. Just thought I'd do that quick update about the upcoming YouTube Bushcraft event. And yeah, that's it for now. It's now 1:15 midnight. I'm going to edit this video, upload it and go to bed. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.